What's the meaning of access? Access. 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 Access is the ability to approach, enter, speak with, or use something. It can also refer to a way or means of approaching or entry. In the context of computers, access refers to the ability to retrieve or modify data. Access can be granted or denied to users, groups, or other entities. Here are some examples of access. A person with access to a building can enter and leave as they please. A person with access to a computer can use it to access files, programs, and the internet. A person with access to a database can view or modify the data. Access can be controlled by passwords, security tokens, or other mechanisms. It is important to control access to sensitive data and systems to protect them from unauthorized access.